mini island tour. Not sure where we're headed, but let's go. They could be part of it. Want to show them our outfit?
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's kind of dark.
Mm-hmm.
But what do you have on?
I have gray and some blue and some orange and some blue, orange and blue on my shirt and some white and some orange, white and orange on my pants. And I have some blue shoes.
Nice.
Sandals.
And I have some green shorts, a black top, and a white shirt. Black shoes. I think we're going to La Sagesse Bay. It's pretty. It is so pretty. You can stand in pretty. Riley, be careful. We're at Belmont Estate.
That too, I have some hot chocolate drink for you, together with chocolate sampling. Custom photos you do whenever you like. Are you all familiar with what's here?
Yes. Damsel.
We call gooseberries as well.
Sugar
apple.
cane.
Sugar cane here. So you get your sugar from this young lady.
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato here.
The orange.
Grapefruit.
Coconut.
Coconut.
Is that
Tamarind.
that's tamarind? Is that Tanya over there? Or no?
Sweet peas. It's a peas that you don't have to cook. In fact, this is what's inside. You just munch on.
Oh, if I've ever had
You're
that.
gonna find on the coastal side poidu, sweet peas. This one?
Tanya?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did I miss anything?
And
Oh,
then what's this one?
called Anato Ogu.
This is bergamot.
All green. This was all green. Could start all red. Could even start purple. There are different types of cocoa. Sand. Bit like garlic. Tense a bit, but contain
Cocoa nips when you bite into it.
It's okay, you can throw away. Might just contribute to this. That white coffee sucker into alcohol. Means every half an hour. Here, the young states do it.
Wow.
Had a good one on the inside, but I want to point out what the
Riley, be careful. I like.
I didn't think I was gonna like them. I was not looking forward to it.
Ellie, what do you think?
It's too hot.
It is really good. This one has had tea every morning, like she is a truly Grenadian.
Wow.
She wants a hot tea, something warm on her stomach. And this is the same. It smells fruity. Actually, we're just looking here.
It smells very good.
Wow. Smells very good to you. Yeah. It smells sweet. You like that one the best? That's a good one.
This one looks like milk chocolate.
My folks, if you need any chocolate product or item, this is the area you may have to do from the table or the shelf.
Yeah, you do. So how do we want our friends?
Super dark is my favorite.
Dark chocolate for me.
I like the dark chocolate.
And you want to
Pleasure.
They're all good.
This hash brown to the phone was 99 cents. Go right to her.
Antoine. That's right.
On our way to Lake. Oh. Lake Antoine. We came to Lake Antoine. Look at this view. Right, it's real pretty. It's so pretty.